In this video, we'll cover what brick patch is, how to mix it, how to apply it, and how to decide if it's the right repair method for the job. When it comes to repairing kiln brick, there are several options. One of the most versatile is brick patch, which can be used to repair a variety of chips, holes, and gouges in kiln brick. Brick patch works best on small to medium defects on flat brick surfaces. If the damaged area is too large, or the repair is difficult to patch cleanly, we recommend watching our video on brick cement instead. If you've determined brick patch is the right method for your repair, you can proceed with these instructions. Brick patch requires 3 basic ingredients: brick dust, potassium silicate, also called pot sill, and water. The mixing ratio is 1 part water, 3 parts pot sill, and 6 parts brick dust. Start by mixing the water and pot sill together. Next, slowly add the brick dust and mix thoroughly until the patch reaches a silly putty-like consistency. If the mixture feels too dry, add small amounts of water, mixing as you go, until the consistency is just right. Once the patch is fully mixed, you're ready to begin patching. For this repair, you'll need a paintbrush, a plastic spatula, and your mixed brick patch. If desired, you can also apply brick facing after patching, but this is optional. Before applying brick patch, it's important to properly prepare the damaged surface. Use a brush or vacuum to remove dust and any loose brick pieces from the damaged area. Lightly dampen the area with water to help the brick patch adhere. Use a plastic spatula to press the brick patch into the damaged area. Use a twisting motion and push the patch in from several directions to help it bond to all sides of the repair. Once the void is filled, smooth the surface and blend it into the surrounding brick. If desired, you can apply a thin coat of brick facing over the patched area for a cleaner finish, but this step is optional. Allow the patch to dry for 24 hours. Once it's fully dry, we recommend running a fast glaze fire to cone 05. You have now successfully made a repair using brick patch. That concludes this video. For more kiln maintenance, repairs, and tutorials, be sure to visit L&L's website at hotkilns.com.